What did you do?
I don't know, I can barely hear it.
Ding, 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 ding,
Is that
ding.
what it is, or is it that?
Look at my new bus. Look at my new van. This is pretty sweet. Look at this. Oh my, this is all. Imagine cruising in this thing around, huh?
It's already shaky and making
Yeah. Alright, let's get back down there.
Here, wait, there. Hopefully I got it.
This is so cool. Let's get back down here. Bottom of the bus. Oh, this is nice down here. This is sweet. Cool chill spot right here.
Yeah, if you're gonna
Okay, they got the air conditioner in the back. That's why.
if you were gonna convert a van into a house, this would be it.
Something like this, exactly. I think he got a little tired. Alright, back out the doors. It's pretty funny. Somebody's winning something. Somebody's winning something. Amazing roads. Brown?
Yeah.
Your road's brown?
Yeah.
Been seeing these signs everywhere. There's this Big Texan Steak Ranch. Supposedly home of the free 72-ounce steak. I think it's just only if you eat the whole damn thing. You gonna eat the whole thing?
Yeah, right.
This place is sweet. Oh man. Gotta record this. This place is sweet. Get some steak. Morning time in Texas. Oh. And we're just north of Amarillo. Woke up for the morning. Just ready to go. And yeah, found this one little camping area. It's like a UTV park, but it's like the national park too or something. I just pulled up my drone map and I can't fly here. So, I don't know what's going on here. This is kind of calm right now, but there's like side-by-sides going around until like probably 1 o'clock in the morning. It wasn't bad. If you're a city person, it would be. But it's really pretty here. This is Texas. Oh yeah, happy Labor Day. Ooh. Just gotta keep on going in this sand. This stuff gets deep. You don't want to sink, you get stuck. Long drive for Matt's off-road recovery out here.